gradually. I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. My hand should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands to keep the shape for it not to pull out. This is a very basic shape from here. You can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. Right now, there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it out to widen. Here in the middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards to narrow down naman po.